What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Master English. I'm Courtney. Today, we're covering the next lesson of our International Phonetic Alphabet series, IPA Dual Sounds. In this step-by-step approach, we'll begin with the top 10 vocabulary words, then we'll use 5 of those words in some sentences. So let's get right to it. These are AI sounds. Please repeat after me. Time, hi, laɪf, raɪd, laɪt, faɪnd, maɪt, saɪd, maɪnd, laɪn. Now, let's try some sentences with these words. Once again, please repeat after me. The first word is time. Number 1. We need to find more time for our project. Number 2. The clock showed that it was time to leave. Number 3. She spent a lot of time studying for the exam. The next word is high. Number 1. The mountain is very high to climb. Number 2. They reached a high point in their career. Number 3. The kite flew high above the park. The next word is ride. Number 1. They decided to ride their bikes to the beach. Number 2. The amusement park has a new ride. Number 3. She asked him to give her a ride to the store. The next word is find. Number 1. I need to find my keys before we leave. Number 2. She couldn't find the book. Number 3. He hopes to find a new job soon. Great! The last word in this set is light. Number 1. The room was bright because of the light. Number 2. She switched on the light to read her book. Number 3. The feather is very light and easy to carry. Great work! You did an amazing job. Let's go over the vocabulary one more time. Time, hi, laɪf, raɪd, laɪt, faɪnd, maɪt, saɪd, maɪnd, laɪn. Great job! You're moving closer to mastering native-like English pronunciation. Be sure to check out more of our Master English videos, books, products, social media, and Patreon for exclusive content to help you master English faster. Thanks for being here. This is Courtney with Master English, and see you in the next video. Bye.